Buying a furniture is more of a physical thing that you do offline. People want to take the furniture, they want to look at the look and the feel of the furniture before investing in such products. But hey, you see many of the popular companies have been selling furniture online since quite a while now. So if it's an offline thing, why are they selling online? That means that online business model is working for them, and that's why you can also try this online business model for you. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can grow your furniture business using the power of e-commerce. I'm going to be sharing you some useful new age marketing tips and strategies that you can implement right now so that you can grow your business. Hi, my name is Minank. I'm from VetrinaLive and you're watching VetrinaLive. When it comes to smaller furniture, let's say office furniture, people want to spend as less time on it as possible. And that's why they usually end up buying these things online. If they get a good deal, they might end up again buying furniture online. And that's why the very first tip that is for you is to find a good shipping partner. You see, one of the common hardships faced while shipping furniture from one location to another location is the shipping part. Because if shipping is not done right, there's a chance that your furniture might be damaged. If you're unsure of shipping across the country, then you need to be looking at local warehouses within the city and start your e-commerce first within the city, and then you can think of expanding to the nearby locations and so on. So shipping plays a vital role because many a times customers have received broken furniture. So if you cannot handle shipping across the country, do not do it. The second tip I want to give you is bundling of deals. You see, when it's work from home and people are working from home, they don't just need a good working chair. They need a good work table as well. Along with the table, they need other sort of good furniture like recliner so that they can take a rest on it. They might also be needing different sorts of furniture. If someone has moved into a new house, they need a sofa, they need a bed, they need chairs for people to come and welcome, etc. So bundle it and call it the new home deal. The first bundle can be called as the work from home deal. If it's like a big office, you can also bundle this as an office deal. So start bundling deals and offer discounts on a bundle. That's going to save you time. That's going to increase the average order value because the person is buying the bundle, which is 2 or more products, not just one single product alone. And you're gonna get more sales based on this bundle. The third step is review collection. Make sure that you push the customer for review, offer incentives for review, because customers, while buying furniture online, want to read reviews, look at the quality of the furniture from other people. Usually when you go search for a furniture business, you will all see negative reviews because some of it have been destroyed by shipping, some of it because of late delivery. So make sure you get positive reviews, and reviews really matter because if you don't push your customer to review, they won't naturally review it, because customers have the tendency to review a business only when they face a negative incident. So make sure you get those reviews for customers. You can offer a gift, you can offer incentive on next purchase, etc. But do follow up with your customer to get those reviews. The third step is setting up your online store. You can't expect the customer to pay online and then shop offline. No, let the experience be completely online. So you can set up an online store easily using VetrinaLive.com. All you have to do is sign up, enter your name, enter your store name, add products, add payment gateway, and you're done. That is how simple it is to set up an online store. Which brings me to my next point. When you're uploading these products online, add pictures from different angles, add videos as well. Because when it comes to offline shopping, customer gets the look and the feel of the experience of the furniture. And when it comes to online, since you cannot provide physically that feel of the furniture, you can add more videos, add more photos, choose a proper theme, so that the customer can have a look at what they are buying. Educated customers are your best bet, because if the customer is not educated about the size, shape, etc., he is not going to purchase. Create a buying experience for them online, and with VetrinaLive you can do this easily because you can start uploading videos. You can also upload multiple photos. You can choose between different themes that you can install for your e-commerce store. The fifth tip I want to give you is collecting customer details, because once you give a customer a good experience, they are much more likely to welcome a new offer from you. When you collect these customer details, you can use email marketing, or you can send them an SMS, because let's say if a customer buys office furniture, you can send them office furniture related stuff. If a customer buys a home furniture, you can sell them other kind of furniture related stuff, or maybe offer something on mattresses, etc. You can do this upselling and cross-selling. That is, if you collect customer details. With VetrinaLive, while checking out, the customer inputs all of his details, and once you collect those details, you can attach it via webhook or ZP to your email marketing provider and start getting those leads. Start warming up those leads, start selling offers to your leads, and maybe you can even start a newsletter. Why not? The sixth tip I want to give you after all these tips is influencer marketing. If an influencer starts reviewing, let's say a gaming influencer tells his viewers that, hey, this gaming chair is really good, I love sitting on it, it keeps me comfortable throughout this entire 4 hours of gaming. Imagine how powerful that is. He is going to do it in a live stream. They can actually send traffic to your store, and people can actually purchase your furniture just based on the word of this popular influencer. It is really good. So you need to partner with the right influencer so that you can derive the maximum benefit from your influencer marketing campaign. But hey, influencer marketing does work wonders, especially in the furniture niche. So these are the tips that are on your screen right now. That's it for this video. If you like this video, you can look at the other videos on the screen. On top, you will find how to grow your grocery business. On bottom, you're going to find how to grow your coffee shop. And if you like this video, start your online e-commerce shop easily within 5 to 10 minutes with VetrinaLive. See you in our next video.